trying to make French pancakes here, and as you see from this little example, it's not turning out too great. That's the number I did, by the way. French pancakes is copyrighted by Taylor and Son. Or
I'm not his son.
Or Devin and Taylor Company.
That's right.
And I would say what makes it a French pancake either. But I can tell you, it involves strenuous work and burn thumbs and fingers.
It does. Finger, please.
Thumb. And not only that yet. Just wait.
Finger.
Right there. It's starting to sear. This is starting to stick. Yeah, that's not good either. As you see, it's falling off. It's falling. It's coming.
You gotta flip it over.
What's the longest trying to do? Half of it. That's it. Yeah. So we call a nasty looking pancake. So I think to throw out and substitute and just have one piece. As you see, I did burn my hands the second time. Other hand this time. Wasn't as bad the first time because somehow I magically moved my hand out of the way. Yeah, it's the second burned pancake. This one's probably our best accomplishment so far.
At least it looks the nicest.
Yeah.
But the other one tastes really good.
It did taste pretty good.
It's not falling apart.
I know, this is our best one.
This one might work. It might work.
Right, it's gonna stick. Sure, I'll hang Pam.
That's what the canola oil is for.
Yeah, I know, but
It cooks too fast. Take it off high.
then it don't cook fast enough.
This is great.
No, Susie. I just see I name that one Susie.
Because it looks like a Susie.
Don't know why.
That's right. There's the nose there, the eye, and the mouth.
Alright, flapjacks.
Don't. Why do they call them flapjacks?
Flap them and jack them. Look at it, fish position.
Yeah, it does. Really.
I think we're gonna flip it. One whole piece!
It's gonna be delectable. This is not turning out very great.
That was great. It was a great idea.
It was my idea.
As you see from that example, that's a pancake. That is an egg. That is nasty looking.
We gotta go until we accomplish this. I can only record 9 minutes and 49 seconds. We have 4 minutes and 3 seconds. So we got a couple minutes to go. Sounds like a crappy motorcycle. Devin is wearing Volcom jeans, shorts, board shorts. Alright, good Volcom Industries.
And Taylor wearing a rock band.
Oh yeah!
He stole that. That's on my leg, though. This is done. This is done. It's done.
Oh my god.
That's a done French pancake.
This is what French pancake looks like. Now everybody go and make one.